Oh, that's cool. I haven't seen this for a long time.
I found it in the attic. What does it do?
Well, I gave it to your dad a long time ago. It's a fireman. It climbs this ladder, but it's got a couple broken rungs. I don't think it's going to work. But you know, I think we can fix it. You want to do a project?
Yeah.
Let's go to the factory.
Okay.
And it helps me measure it accurately. So you read what that dimension is there?
39.26.
Right. You see how we've created this model, this three-dimensional model? We add it to this structure. Want to go print one? Okay, let's go. Got it?
Yep.
Ready? Ha! This is the first time it's worked in 30 years.